Hello friends, my name is Srinivas and welcome to my channel Tech Studio 82. Before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel for the upcoming latest Python tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to write a Python program for checking MySQL database connection. Okay, let's get started. Let's open the Python IDLE shell environment from the start menu search bar by giving the keyword as IDLE. On the screen you can see this IDLE. Click on open. This is IDLE shell 3.9.7 GUI interface. Now I am going to write a Python program by opening a new document, file, new file. In this page I am going to write the Python program. First I will import MySQL database into Python by giving the statement import statement. Import space MySQL dot connector. The Python import statement lets you import a module into your code, and this MySQL.connector enables Python programs to access MySQL database using an API. So this imports MySQL database connection. This is my first line of Python code. Press enter. As a Python developer, follow the best practices by writing a readable code. Give the comments in the Python program. Define the comments followed by as symbol. So let's make it readable by giving comments. Now by giving hash, passing DB connection information. Enter. Now I am defining a variable my connection. You can define on your own equals to MySQL dot connector dot connect. This method creates a connection in order to establish a new session with the MySQL server. And here we need to pass the arguments as host equals to localhost, user equals to root, password equals to TechStudio @123. At the time of installation for the root, you might have given the password. The same password you need to define over here. Bracket close, press enter. Now we have successfully passed the DB connection also. Now let's check the database connection. Hash check database connection. This is the comment section, and now I am going to give the Python code over here by giving if then else statement. If my connection, which is my variable, this is a one variable, my connection dot is underscore connected method. This is the is underscore connected method. Is underscore connected method is nothing but this method checks whether the connection to MySQL database is available or not. It returns true either when the connection is available or returns false when the connection is lost. Okay. Now semicolon press print. If condition satisfied, then it returns true. I am giving the returns true statement. I am online. Bracket close, and I need to give the else part. Press enter. I am giving the false statement over here. I am dead, as I am dead. Here you can see if then else statement. The else statement should be given without any spaces or tabs, because if you give space or tab, it will be a syntax error. Now I am going to save this file. File, save. Here it will be directed to the Python default folder. For your convenience, I am saving at the desktop. DB underscore connection as file name. .py extension. It will be saved. Python files will be saved with extension .py. Okay. Save. You can see at the desktop. This is the file db underscore connection. Now you have successfully saved this file. Now we are going to run this program. Run run module, or from the keyboard you can press F5. See, you can see I am online. It gave the true statement. If then else, from the if then else it gave true statement. That means your database is online. MySQL data, the connection between MySQL database and Python is working very fine. So we have successfully written the Python program for testing the database connection. That's it guys. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share my videos with your friends. Thank you guys.